When I was invited to do the work for USDP, United Nations Development Program, I guess, I went to China at the Beijing in the Forbidden City. I was surprised to see in where the governance took place in that country for many years. A panel was there with the word Wu-Wei, no action. I was impressed. If the idea of the Daoism is what they use, that'll be profound. The reason is that Wu-Wei is beyond the human action. So figuring out what we do, we have to go back to the basis of where we came from. It's a nature's way, no action, no